Hello again, today I'm making marble butter cake and I make some that are plain for my daughter and the rest are the marble cakes like this. Other than muffins, these marble cakes are actually my comfort food too, and I love them because we have two flavors mixed in one, and I just love the chocolate flavor here. And you can see when I tear them apart, they are so moist and squishy. They are so delicious. So join me in baking this and I'll teach you how to make these perfect marble cakes. What are your comfort food? Do let me know in the comment below. I'm also elevating them by adding a topping, and this time this is Nutella topping, and it will be so great because nothing can go wrong with Nutella, right? These can be perfect for your parties as well. Look how beautiful they are. So let's get baking. Let's prepare the ingredients with me. Let's prepare the baking tray by greasing with a little bit of butter all around. Step 1, let's whisk all together the dry ingredients. Set it aside and prepare the wet ingredients. Let's cream the room temperature butter and sugar together. And you would want to do this for about 5 minutes, and use about medium-high speed. After about 5 minutes, you'll see the color is a little bit paler, so drop in the eggs one by one. Scrape the bowl again and ensure that every part is well mixed, and then we can add in the dry ingredients. We're gonna do it alternate, 1/3 of the flour and then the milk, and then the flour and the milk, and the flour and the milk again. When everything comes together, then we'll stop and don't overmix at this stage so that the cake will turn out moist and delicious. So portion them out into the baking tray that you prepared earlier. Now, because this is for my daughter, she doesn't like the chocolate part of it, so I'm gonna just set aside about 4 plain ones for her. The remaining ones, you're gonna use half of the original batter while you mix some of the remaining using the chocolate powder prepared, and then you portion them out again into the tray. For working mothers, of course, you can prepare this the night before, so this will be ready for your kids' breakfast the next day. And you can swirl the chocolate around like this so that the colors will go around the sides and the center as well. And don't worry about not having them even, because once they go into the oven, they will all flatten up and level. At 190 degrees Celsius for about 22 minutes. And this is the outcome. They're just so beautiful and moist, and it's just such a comfort food for me. And it's always best to go with hot tea with this, or hot coffee maybe. This is the best breakfast for me. Let me know in the comment below if you've tried this as well, and tell me the outcome. And I hope you like and subscribe my videos for more recipes like this that I've been using, and these are the best ones that I'm compiling into my channel TNSG. So enjoy! Thank you so much for watching.